Don't let poor indoor air quality put your operations at risk.
Clean air is important inside of manufacturing facilities because we're talking about the air we breathe. They want to be able to come to work with the understanding that management has put time and effort into making sure they're as safe as they can be.
RoboVent is your clean air partner. Fast answers, friendly service, world-class equipment.
What is fast, friendly, world-class? It's responding to our customers the way you would want to be responded to.
When we meet with customers, we do what's right, we do what's fair, we do what's honest, and because of our training, they know what they're doing. So they get not just great solutions, they can expect people that they can trust.
What does it take to be a leader in this industry? Hard work, precision engineering, and a commitment to excellence.
Our customers have many choices for dust, fume, and mist collection. Ours needs to be better. World-class equipment. It's got to look good, it's got to run good, it's got to be easy maintenance, and when it is, they'll come back to us.
My team makes a difference one breath at a time by really ensuring that the system design, the products, that everything that goes into making an industrial ventilation system is top-notch.
RoboVent has it all. The best dust collection and industrial ventilation solutions in the industry, plus turnkey services, including engineering, facility testing, project management and installation, and preventive maintenance.
We're the only company that provides a 100% turnkey solution. We do the design, the sales, the manufacture, and the installation of the product from start to finish. And as a result, that allows us the opportunity to guarantee our solutions.
Our customers really enjoy working with our project managers because of the constant communication that they have and the loyalty and dedication that those project managers experience with those customers.
Generally speaking, other dust collection companies don't offer what we offer. They don't have service departments, so we're unique in that sense.
RoboVent is part of the Rensa Filtration family, the leaders in filter technology for dust, fumes, mist, and odors. We manufacture top-of-the-line cartridge filters for any type and brand of industrial air quality equipment.
We do dust, fume, and mist collection, but we also have after filters. We have the carbon filtration. We can bring a total filtration solution to our customers.
As an aftermarket group, we support our customers in every way possible. Every customer has a dedicated account rep who is their single point of contact, whether it revolves around customized stocking programs, customized filters, specification questions, and pricing questions.
And we stand behind our equipment and our work with the best guarantee in the industry.
Our performance guarantee is probably the ultimate statement as far as accountability. We hold our people accountable, we hold our product accountable, and we back it up with the guarantee that we give to our customers so that our customers have a way of holding us accountable.
We're making a difference, one breath at a time.
As humans, we need clean air. We don't want anyone to have to go to work and be concerned about their health and their well-being.
Our customers love us and really respect us because they trust us, and we've earned that trust.
Protect your people. Safeguard your processes. A cleaner, healthier facility starts here.